All right, everybody, I just want to do a recap of the week. So, this week, some of our goals were exploring the different things that can be found in our solar system. Now, right here, you were supposed to compare the different objects, right? You could have used size, um, other physical features. You could have used radiation emitted. Okay, it doesn't matter. As long as you were comparing the different objects, you were also supposed to look at models. Okay, that should have happened in the reading, but I want to show you guys real quick a. Okay, what you're seeing right now is the website that NASA puts out. This is the model, okay? Now we're zooming into the sun. You can see all around it are the gravitational, it's the trajectory of the planets around it. Around the sun being the most massive object in our solar system. Now, right here, you can see this was one of the questions. What is an astronomical unit? An astronomical unit is the distance from the sun to our planet Earth. Okay? Now I'm zooming back out. I'm going to come to Earth next. I want you to look at this distance, okay, relative to the sun. If the sun was about 1 centimeter, okay, less than an inch, Earth would be more than 3 feet away. So here we're going to zoom into Earth. This is really cool, and it's going to go along with, not only does it go along with what we covered last week, but it's going to go along with what we covered this week as well. I'm going to skip ahead real quick. Now, there's a lot of cool features on the website, but this is one of my favorite. Right here, you can compare Earth, the size of our Earth, to other objects in our solar system. Now, look at us compared to the sun. I'm going to change this to miles. Right now, it's in kilometers. You can go either way, it doesn't matter. But look at us compared to the sun. That's nuts to me. Probably something that you looked at either in the video last week or the app where you compared the sizes of different things in our solar system. Both were super cool. I hope you got a chance to use the app. That one was my favorite. But the sheer size of our sun in comparison to our Earth, again, the sun is the most massive object in our solar system, and that's why gravity is pulling all these other objects around it. In a way, Earth is always falling. Okay? We've got the sun here. As Earth, it falls through space, it misses. And then it falls back. And it falls back. That's what orbiting is. Okay? Now, another cool thing. Look at the size of our sun compared to other suns. Our sun, like in comparison, is a speck of dust compared to some of the larger suns. There are some suns that are as large as our entire solar system. And remember, our solar system is everything that orbits our sun. So I want you to think about that. Some suns are the size of our whole solar system. Real quick, with that in mind, we're going to zoom away from the Earth further. Sorry, it's taking me a while. Keep going. For some reason, I'm looking at the trajectory and not zooming out because I don't know how a mouse or a computer works. Still going, still going. Okay. Now we're getting closer. Okay. So remember, our solar system is everything that orbits the sun. Again, there are some stars that are as big as our whole solar system. I mean, this is cool stuff. So now we're going to be looking at a new lesson. Lesson 2, so topic 12, lesson 2 is all about the tools we use to learn about the universe. So at the end of this, I want you to be able to describe what the electromagnetic spectrum is, okay? And also tell me how we use that electromagnetic spectrum to learn about the universe in general. Another thing that I hope you're able to do by the end of the week when you take the quiz is talk about the role of technology in accessing space and also in collecting and communicating data. When you're messing around with the website, the NASA website, I want you to look at some of the satellites that are in orbit. Uh, when you click on an object, it'll provide you with a little description. If you can, see if you can find Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. I don't want to spoil the surprise. Those are some pretty cool satellites. Maybe I'll make it a competition for the first 5 kids who can tell me what's special about Voyager 1. You will receive 5 Mr. Larson points. And then later you can redeem those for absolutely nothing because we're not in contact. Cool. Anyways, I still want to see if anybody can figure it out. It's kind of its own reward. Yeah. I also want to give you a quick overview of Google Classroom. So every week I'm going to try and do like an introduction, like I'm doing now, tell you what I'm hoping for the week. I'm sorry about that sunlight. It's driving me crazy right behind me. I'll try and do a quick introduction, talking about the objectives for the week, what I hope you guys can get from it. I will do the reading. I will do interactivities on PearsonRealize.com. Remember, you have to be signed into your school email before you go to PearsonRealize.com, and then you go in through the EasyBridge access. But yeah, there will be reading, there will be interactivities and videos, there may be a couple questions, and then I'll post the quiz for that information at the beginning of the following week. So you have all week to work on that stuff, and then the quiz is what your grade is going to be based on. Also, a little explanation about the videos, or my office hours. You can email me anytime. The office hours that I have, I post a link on the Google Classroom every time I have office hours, and that allows me to see you face to face, if you, like we're doing now in a way, if you have specific questions for me. And then it also, if you give me access, I can see your screen, so that if you're having problems, I can say, okay, you need to click this, do this, click here. So that's another cool feature that I like with the office hours. Anyways, I really miss you guys. I really do. But I'm also loving being at home. Probably shouldn't have said that. Anyways, have a good week. Enjoy the stuff. And I hope you appreciate what we get to learn about. See you later.